Stop patting up now.
Good. It's almost time for class.
No pictures, please. No
I'm not taking a picture of you. I'm taking. Yeah, I'm tired. How the bell's going to ring. You brought your camera, guys? That's good. I brought mine too. Making. Hey, Juan. I'm trying not to get you in this. I'm trying not to get you. I'm just taking a random video right now. I'm transition between 5th and 6th period. Yeah, I felt like Hi.
Are you excited to be taking pictures today?
Yeah, I love taking pictures. I'm trying not to catch you in this, so I'm putting it down. It's just photography is just my thing, that's why. There's a library, rest of the library over there. Oh, that's Oh, we get our badges today, right? Yeah, we get our badges today.
I want a brownie. We can have it. I like my lunch. You don't know how to? I do know, but I can't remember. Oh, that's okay. Yeah. What's up? Okay. Here's how you gotta do it. Don't do it on my hair, just like explain. What? No, do it on the little face parts. Seriously? I was hoping I had hope. You had hope. What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
You're not doing anything?
I'm just, I'm just, yeah, there goes the